In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Bank of America travel rewards for flights. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, if you look through the offers that Bank of America has for travel rewards, you will notice that they have a lot of options. For travel rewards, if you open up the details and you read about the rewards, you will notice that they are eligible for some flights. As you can see over here, I have this other tab open with the Bank of America Travel Rewards Program rules. This is a document that tells us on how you can use these points and how they work. If I press Ctrl F and I look for flights over at this document, you will see that on page 8, they have this text related to flights. Availability of certain airlines, flights, car rental companies, and hotels are limited to those on the Travel Center reservation system. Not all airlines, flights, car rental companies, and the hotels may be available, which means that while the Bank of America has a certain availability for using these points for flights, you should be able to use them as long as you try to apply them on an airline or flight that accepts the travel rewards points from Bank of America. So all you have to do is try to use these on the flights that you want to book and see if they work. You will get a message displaying to you if the process worked or didn't, depending on the specific airline or flight that you are trying to book. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Bank of America travel rewards for flights. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.